Now, after sexual reproduction, where two parents are needed to produce a baby, the next topic is asexual reproduction, in which a single parent produces a new organism. The first organism explained here is a hydra. It shows a green organism, which you can see is shown, and it is reproducing. The first picture shows that the hydra is producing a type of structure outside it. This structure, which you see, is a bud type which develops on the body of hydra. The upper part of the hydra, which is shown here, they are tentacles, and this organism lives in water. It takes nourishment from water and grows. It has got bud-like structure at the bottom. This bud starts growing and then it becomes slightly bigger. After that, this bud becomes the third step. So the first step, second and the third step shows that the bud grows. It is just like a branch of a tree which is growing. So this bud grows from the body of the single hydra. That is why it is example of asexual reproduction. This bud develops into a new hydra. After some time, this bud which has grown, it separates from the body of the parent hydra and forms a new organism. So a new organism is formed from the body of hydra. That is called asexual reproduction. The buds which develop on the body of hydra, they produce a new organism, and therefore this is called example of asexual reproduction. Since new individuals develop from the bud, the hydra is example of asexual reproduction, and this organism is reproducing asexually. Another method of asexual reproduction is observed in another microscopic organism called amoeba. You must have read about amoeba earlier. Amoeba is a microscopic organism which lives in moist places. It has no regular body shape. And how does it reproduce? Amoeba also does not reproduce with the help of two organisms. Its single body can produce multiple organisms. So here there are pictures shown. There is a picture shown, the first picture, then the second one, third one and fourth one. In the first picture, the amoeba is shown whose body is normal, and it has got a nucleus in the middle. This nucleus is the control of the amoeba. So when the amoeba has to make two organisms, its nucleus divides. So one nucleus which is inside the amoeba divides into two, and it separates and it forms a narrow line, which is shown in this picture as a narrow line which separates the two nuclei, the two nucleus. Now when the two nuclei are away from each other, then in the third picture it shows that the body of amoeba divides by the border line. In the middle there is a border shown, and the body of amoeba divides into two, and these two amoeba which are formed, they are separated from each other, and this process is called asexual reproduction in amoeba, which is specially called binary fission. This binary fission takes place in amoeba in few seconds, and in few minutes it forms two organisms, and the two organisms are amoeba, which further can produce more organisms. So the two organisms, two parts of amoeba which are formed, they are called daughter cells, as they have the ability to reproduce further. The process of binary fission takes place with the division of the nucleus into two. This is followed in the division of the body. Finally, two amoeba are produced, which are called daughter cells, and this is called binary fission. Bi means two, and therefore amoeba divides into two, and this is called binary fission, which is asexual reproduction in amoeba.